Okay guys, today we're going to be replacing this rear wiper blade on my 2001 Volkswagen Golf. So if you fold the arm up, and if you look, this is a standard J-hook style wiper arm, and you can see on the blade here is this plastic little tab. You just push this in and it allows you to pull that. It releases the blade that way. Alright, so here's the new wiper blade I chose. It's a Silblade. There's your part number. This is a 13-inch blade. They give you a series of adapters, instructions. All we need to do is pay attention right here to this part. We don't need any of these. And here's the new blade itself, a 13-inch blade. Now I'm going with, this is a silicone style blade. So it's supposed to last a lot longer. So we will see what happens. It's a little more expensive than a traditional style blade like this. This is has a metal construction. This here is all plastic with a silicone blade. So go ahead and install this now. Okay, so you take your blade like so and line it up with your wiper arm and then apply pressure and slide it up into place. Like that. There you go. Simple as that, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.